Hello everyone, welcome back to an Italian in my kitchen. I am Erica and today feels very fallish, as you can tell from what I'm wearing, which is this cardigan. And I've also been craving apple pie these days. So I thought we could make apple pie bars. Yes, we're not gonna make a full apple pie, but we're going to make apple pie bars, which is basically a bite of apple pie. We're going to cut bars, so squares of this delicious shortbread base with apple pie filling on top, and we're going to finish it off by topping it with a delicious buttery crumb. I can't wait to eat it. My mouth is watering. Let's go make it. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius, and also grease and flour or spray an 8-inch cake pan, square cake pan. So we're going to start the recipe by taking a medium bowl, and in this bowl we're going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 pinch of salt, and we'll whisk them all together and set aside. We're going to take 3/4 cups of butter that's been left at room temperature so it's nice and soft, and we're going to add it into a mixing bowl. Cream it on medium speed. Then add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar into the bowl and beat together. Then add the flour and combine well. And at this point, take your square pan again and we'll spread our shortbread dough inside our cake pan. And then we're going to bake it for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, raise the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. So while our base is baking in the oven, we are going to make our apple filling. And to make it, we need a medium bowl, like this one. And in this bowl, we're going to add and mix together 1 or 2 small apples that have been cut into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 3/4 teaspoons of cinnamon. And we'll mix this all together. And then we'll spoon the mixture evenly on the shortbread base. And we'll put this aside for now. And to finish it off, we're going to make our crumb topping. To make the crumb topping, we're going to take another bowl, mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then cut in 1/3 cups of cold butter and mix it together until you get coarse crumbs. Then stir in 1/4 cups of chopped nuts. It can be hazelnuts, walnuts, pecans, whatever you want really, and stir it in gently. And then take your topping and sprinkle it evenly on top of your filling. And now all we've left to do is to bake our cake. So we're going to put it in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the apples are tender. And if the top starts to brown too much, then you can add a piece of foil on top. So I'll see you very soon. And here you have it. Our apple pie bars are baked. Now we're gonna just leave it in the pan to cool down, and then we'll take them out of the pan and cut them and taste them. here we have our apple pie bar. Look at how amazing it looks. I love that you can see the layers so well. There's the shortbread layer, our apple filling, and then the crumb topping. Crumb topping looks amazing, and I just want to bite into it, really. Yes, let's just get into it. Oh, also the smell that comes from it, amazing. Here it is, we're going for it. Buon appetito. Wow. We have that crunchiness that comes from the chopped nuts on top with the crumbly layer, and then we have the sweetness of the apples and the cinnamon that comes through as well, and the shortbread layer, which is always delicious. I love shortbread cookies, so if you like a shortbread cookie, you will love these bars. If you love shortbread and you love apple pie, this is the dessert for you. You will love this one. I think it's perfect as a very easy and, you know, quick apple pie fix. And if you have that craving for fall weather, for coziness, this is the dessert for you. I hope you enjoy this one. As always, you'll find all the ingredients, links, and measurements in the description box below. If you have any comments, just leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us some thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. What was that?
That's my newsroom reporter voice.
I actually didn't get it.
Alright.
Okay, give us your honest review.
It smells lovely.
Okay.
Looks lovely.
Thank you.
Really nice.
Yeah?
The base is lovely, like there's a nice bite to it. And then the crumble on top is really nice.
Perfect.
And the apples are obviously.
Does it make you feel like fall? Warm and fuzzy inside?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Thank you for testing this one. See ya in the next video.
Ciao.